Top Best 5 Drone in 2022. We have discussed here selected 5 types of advanced drones from which you can choose any one drone for you. One. Potensic Dreamer Drone with camera for adults, 4K 31 minutes flight, GPS quadcopter with brushless motors, auto return, 5.8G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, long control range flycam, easy for beginner and expert. 2. Holy Stone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, quadcopter with brushless motor, auto return home. Follow me, 52 minutes flight time, long control range, includes carrying bag. DEERC DE22 GPS Drone with 4K camera 2-axis gimbal, ICE anti-shake, 5G FPV live video brushless motor, auto return home, selfie, follow me, waypoints, circle fly 52 min flight width, carry case. 4. Drone X Pro Limitless 4 GPS 4K UHD camera drone for adults with Evo obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, auto return home, follow me, long flight time, long control range, 5G, Wi-Fi FPV live video, ICE, superior stabilization, with travel case. 5. Super Endurance Foldable Quadcopter drone for beginners, 40 minutes flight time, Wi-Fi FPV drone with 120 degrees wide angle 1080p. HD camera, optical flow positioning. Follow me, dual camera switch, 2 batteries.